Fire means he's still alive. For now.
Is that a galleon?
Yeah, sure looks like it. Holy crap. It's a ship graveyard. Looks like we can get down this way. We're getting closer to them. Sam.
He's surrounded.
Yeah. Come on. We gotta go get him. Gotta find a way to the beach.
Hey!
Cover! Go! Gotta find a way to the beach.
Nate!
Find some cover! Go! Incoming! bigger they are, the harder they are to take down.
Hey, he's on your left.
Elena, this way!
Come on. We can cut through the ship's hold.
You okay?
I'm okay enough. Now let's find your brother.
Yeah. Hey, we can squeeze through here. Okay, now where did Sam go? You went this way!
Huh? There's your answer.
Pinned down. You're a sight for sore eyes. Yeah. How about we get off this damn beach, huh?
Absolutely.
Did you find my lighter?
We're sitting ducks in here!
We gotta take out that RPG.
The cliffs! You take cover there! Guys down! Rocket Man is down! Get out of there!
I got him.
Light him up! Ah, great! I'll get around him! Can't leave!
Hey, up ahead.
Guys down on your feet!
Okay, come on!
Damn it. Our friends are back. Aw, damn it. Our friends are back.
Take those suckers out!
Aw, damn it. Our friends are back.
Take those suckers out!
Christ, how many of these trucks did you bring, Rafe? All right, asshole. Wait, that shoreline merc had an RPG. What the hell is it? Okay. And thank you for the exit. Son of a bitch, another one? Stairs! Right up here. You get me up here, right? Shitty shot. Sully?
How you doing, Nate? Look out! Over the RPG!
Okay, playtime's over. God and liberty, asshole. Yeah, it sounded better in my head.
Nice work, kid.
Yeah, thanks for the assist.
Come on over. I'll get you out of there.
Please.
Good to see you, kid.
Right in the nick of time.
Yeah, well, got a little antsy waiting around to hear from you two.
No, we gotta find Sam and Elena still.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Are you okay?
Yeah,
We heard those explosions, we thought.
yeah, that's all this guy.
You saved his ass again?
Naturally. How you doing?
Good. Good. There was some close calls, but, he covered me.
Hey. Hey. How's that?
Oh, bullet grazed my shoulder.
Yeah.
You?
Cliffside, grazed my face. So how'd you lose Rafe?
He led his crew right into one of Avery's traps.
Smart.
Hey, look. About the whole Alcazar thing.
Hey, we gotta save that for later, okay?
Yeah.
Which way?
On the beach, other side of this town.
Okay.
Good. I hope all that ruckus didn't attract any attention.
Whoa. Sorry. What are we doing?
What do you think we're doing? We're getting the hell off of this rock.
Right, we could do that. Or we could head in that direction, which is a shortcut.
Shortcut to what?
To Avery's treasure.
Oh, wow.
I mean, Rafe's got to go all the way around, but we can
Hey,
just...
screw
just-
Rafe.
Hey, Victor, with all due respect, maybe just
You
leave
just
this...
don't know when to quit.
Look, we're all here for the same reason, right?
We didn't come after the treasure. We came after you.
And I appreciate that. I do. But we're good. And we've got the lead for now. We can do this. Nathan, come on. Huh? Look around. Okay? Avery scuttled every last ship on this island. You know why?
Because he was hell-bent on keeping his treasure,
Exactly.
no matter the cost to the others around him.
Because he didn't want anyone to follow him. Because he was leaving. Look at this. Okay, I found his map of the island. Okay? That's his ship right under that mountain. That's where our treasure is. And it is exactly where Rafe is headed right now while we stand around here and argue like idiots.
What if he's already left the island and his ship sunk somewhere out there in the middle of the ocean?
Then we find out where it got sunk.
Oh, boy.
How long we been chasing this thing, huh? You and me. No offense to these guys. But they don't get it.
Actually, Sam, they do. They really do.
Okay.
Trust me, they've seen this kind of obsession before. Sam, we're not those kids anymore. We're not. And we got nothing to prove.
Victor, where's that plane?
Right this way.
Is it far?
Not very. Just through this port.
What if Shoreline set up an ambush by the plane?
They didn't.
And what makes you so sure?
Because they're heading to the mountain. For the treasure.
This way. There she is.
It's a long drop. How did you get here?
I hopped down a few of these walls, but I guess we'll have to find another way around. What was that?
That came from the mountain.
It's Avery's traps.
Yeah, that means they're blowing themselves up.
No, it means they're on the right path.
Hey, come on. Let's just stay focused, huh?
I jumped down from up there, but it's too high to get back up.
Yeah, maybe there's something we can put under it?
Give me a hand, Sam.
All right?
Hey, you need a hand?
Hey, no thanks. We got it.
Anyone see a way out?
Hey guys, through here. Whoa, check that thing out.
It's like a sky rail or something.
Think it still works?
There's no controls, but I bet I could pull the platform with my rope.
The hell are you doing, kid?
I'm not sure yet.
Maybe if you could get to that wooden platform down there.
Well, we're getting there.
I can't wait to sleep in my own bed again.
So close, so far.
Nate!
I got an idea. Nathan, give me a hand.
Okay.
Okay, Victor, can I borrow you for a sec?
Sure.
All right, go ahead, Nathan. Yeah, we'll hold it down. You jump across.
Not gonna drop me, are you?
Tempting, but no.
Oh, maybe.
Made it!
Here we come.
Okay, we're ready.
Pull us over. I don't like being on this thing.
What's the magic word?
Now? Well, this is some impressive engineering for a bunch of pirates.
This is nothing. You should have seen the elevators.
What, you have elevators?
Whoa!
You guys all right?
Yeah. It's like a roller coaster.
Come on up, Nathan. All right, Nathan, you climb on up. I'll grab you. Go! Jump off, quick!
Nate, give me a hand.
Sam! Bitch. Sam, come on! Huh? All right. Come on, just jump. I'll catch you. Let's go. No. No, no. Don't you even think about it. You hear me?
I'm sorry I got you into this. All of you.
Hey, all that doesn't matter anymore, okay? Just jump.
I gotta see this thing through, Nathan.
Sam, hey, listen to me. If you do this, I'm not coming after you. You hear me?
I'm sorry.
Sam! Sam!
You called your bluff?
He's gonna get himself killed. Come on.
She's probably right.
Of course she is. Let's go.
Up here. Maybe we can head him off.
I'm gonna save him, and then I'm gonna punch him.
All right, let's just worry about the saving part first.
What the hell is he thinking? I mean, after everything that we... Wasn't this enough? Let's just find him. Hey, we can get over that wall with this. Come on.
Here, we got you.
You ready?
Got it.
All right.
See?
This isn't gonna hold.
Tank, go.
No, I got it.
God damn it. Now how the hell are we supposed to get up there?
We don't have enough time.
Nate? No, not by yourself.
I'll come right back, okay?
Look, he is not gonna leave without a fight.
Yeah, well, then I'll fight him if I have to, but either way, I'm bringing him back. Just get the plane as close to the mountain as you can, and be ready for a quick getaway.
Like there's another kind?
It's not fair.
Huh?
Doing the dishes, we take turns. Don't even think about not coming back.
I love you.
Same to you, cowboy.